Hey, welcome back to my channel. Edge Products 98620 EAS Starter Kit W/. Edge performance parts were made to outperform all competitors. Edge manufactures modules and programmers for all major truck manufacturers including Ford, Chevy and Dodge to give you cutting-edge performance. And with countless Edge performance chips and programmers reduced to read, you'll discover real experiences from real customers like you. Actual increases in fuel mileage depend on driving style. Package dimensions: 24.13H x 3.81L x 16.51W. Package weight: 0.430 kilograms. Country of origin: United States. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.